5142 Lima is 3 miles east-northeast over Lakeville Road. Be maneuvering for right 45, 31 knots.
Coyote.
At this point, I'll put the fuel pump on, landing light on, mixture's rich. Pre-landing checklist complete. Okay, I'll turn pedaling off at this point. Now I got Gnoss Field ahead of me. I'm on a 45-degree angle to it. 2 miles out. 1,000 feet. South traffic, Cherokee's on a 1.5 45 for right traffic, tree 1 knots.
And landing at Gnoss, your full stop?
Gnoss, Cherokee will be a full stop at Gnoss, yes.
Okay, Gnoss, King Air 6 Mike Romeo is 8 miles north-northeast. I'm planning on the left base for runway 13, Gnoss.
Okay, Cherokee's about to turn right downwind for tree 1 Gnoss.
Okay.
King Air is a big plane, big twin-engine turboprop. I mean, not big airliner big, but big compared to this plane. And the wind is crosswind. And Enough traffic, Cherokee's on a right downwind, tree 1 knots. Okay, first flap, reduce power. Seen these videos, you've seen the ritual. Up to 1500 RPM, slow it down to 85. Then descend 200 feet to 800. Enough traffic, Cherokee's turning right base, tree 1 knots. Enough traffic, Cherokee's turning final, tree 1 full stop Gnoss.
And this is King Air, I've got you in sight. I'm about a 3 mile left base for runway 13, but I'm going pretty slow.
Well, you're pretty slow, it's fast for me. Gnoss traffic, Cherokee's final, 31 knots. Full flaps.
Laughing together, being as one, and not the rhythm of the changing tides. Give me time,
And that's how you do it.
give me time. Don't you know I give it
And landing light off, fuel pump off, transponder off, strobe lights off, and nav lights off, everything off.
Thanks, Mark. Appreciate it.
My pleasure. Now that's a big honking plane. Okay, so there's nobody coming that way. Nobody coming that way. South traffic, Cherokee's crossing 31 numbers.